Hello guys, this is day one of my Kaftan challenge and I'm going to be using the base design of my Kaftan. That means I'm not going to be designing Kaftan from scratch. If you need a Kaftan that is plain like this, you have to go to the link in my description to download this Kaftan. The link is there. You can download the Kaftan. And also, if you want to learn how to design Kaftan and Agbada, there is a course that I have there in the description. So the link is there. Just visit the website, you will see everything there, everything that you need there. So you just download it from there. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from TimmyDCreator. So in today's tutorial of Kaftan, I'm going to be designing, I thought of designing a knitted Kaftan because I want to use the knitted fabric or the knit fabric on Clo3d to do that. But I might just decide to delete something to make this thing look realistic in the physical world. Yes, let me put it like that. So I'll delete something. So I'm going to be deleting this chest pattern. So I've done that. I'll be adjusting some things and let me see. Let's do this. I'm going to delete this. Yes. So I want to change the way the neck is going to look like. So probably like a V neck, just a V pattern neck. So I'm going to delete these two, the internal line. You can still leave the pocket or might not really need the pocket. So I'm going to delete this line too. Yes. Okay. And I don't know if knit has gator because I want to make sure it's realistic. I'm going to delete all the gator line because that's what it is. So I'm going to delete some things. Yeah, okay. I'm going to delete this and this and yeah. So we have even the arm. So I'm going to delete this too. And okay, I'm not done yet. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this too. So yeah, let me simulate. Okay, remain in the pocket. So we have this. Let me stop my simulation and go to the pocket and delete that too. So I think we are good to go, and I don't really need this one. We're going to delete something. So like I said, delete something. So, yeah. So and okay, for the neck now, I'm going to delete this line here, this dot. Or do I need to delete the dot? Okay, that's fine. And I'm going to see if I can bring this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so I want the neck to look like this. So I can just use the normal fabric. I don't need to use this fabric. So I'm going to add the default fabric you get. So I'm going to, or should I use silk cotton? Anyone is fine actually. So I'm going to select Ctrl A and click on this fabric. Even though I use this, I'm still going to see the option I'm looking for. So I'm just going to click on the fabric and go to the fabric type, and I'm going to select knitwear. So this is it here. So this everything is going to change, and knitwear can be quite heavy depending on your laptop. It can be quite laggy if you are using something like this. So now it's taking time to load, so we have to just wait. So the space in between the knit has become tight, so what I just need to do is to drag it back a bit. I need to adjust the gauge per inch. I think this is okay, and let's wait for it to load. So this is it. Can you see? You can see it's even looking more transparent, or the hole is bigger or wider. So I think 3 will be fine because I have to just play around with this. I've not really used it like that. So I think this is better. Can you see? This is better. This looks good. So anybody that is wearing this kind of outfit probably wear a singlet and probably a good underwear, if I'm right. So I want to be using ChatGPT in this process. So we'll be using more of AI because you guys need to learn how to use AI in your workflow. It doesn't have to they don't have to really design everything, but also they can help you in creativity and also ideas. So I'm going to go to my ChatGPT. So I'll just tell ChatGPT that I designed a knitted kaftan and I need a color. I need to use two color because I want to use two color on that design. I don't want it to be plain white. So I need it to generate two color for me. So let me just type it. with their with their color code. The color code is very, very important. So let me see. So you can see it is giving me earthy cheek, monochrome. This is charcoal and white, navy contrast, olive tone, and mute beige. We have the indigo, and this is the royal touch. So let me know two exact color you like to see with Xcode if you have them, and no, I don't need it to do all this for me. You get, I don't need it to do all this for me. So I'm going to, what do I think? I think I like this earthy cheek. So let me try this earthy cheek. Let me, you have to just copy it. Control C, and that's Control C to copy, and I'm going to go to this. I'm going to select this, and we're going to go to general color. Actually, you can change the color here, but it won't change all the color to white because there are 4 colors on this knitted wear. So you can play around with this, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use the one that will change the general color at once. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this and paste. Let me see if I'm missing something. I don't need the hashtag behind. You can remove that. You can see this is brown or the earthy cheek. Yeah, close. So you can see we have something like this. So and they said there's another color, so I need to add a new fabric again and copy that color code. Where is the color code? Okay. So this is what we are going to use, the cream color. So one of them, I want to use one as the, okay, it says color 1 is the main. According to ChatGPT, color 1 is the main, while color 2 is the accent. So oh, sorry. So let me go to Clo3d, and yeah, this is this. I'm going to scroll down to this, and I'm going to, oh, I made a mistake. See, there's an error we did now. So I'm supposed to duplicate, I'm not supposed to create a new fabric. I'm supposed to duplicate this fabric, because if I apply any pattern to this particular new fabric, because it doesn't have this knitwear on the fabric, it will change. So let me duplicate this. So I'm going to click on the plus icon. Oh, sorry, not this. What am I even doing? Copy. I mean, yeah, this is it. So, and I'm just going to scroll down, go to this part, and just click on this and Control V, and I'm going to press apply and close. So I can decide to use this for maybe the pocket. Let me see how it looks like with the pocket. So, and I'll just select this. So I'm waiting for it to load. So like I said, knitwear takes time. So this is how it looks like. And see, this is how it looks like on Clo. I don't think this is bad. I don't think this is bad. The best thing we can do here now, we can test all the color. You get, we can test all the color. But what do we do? We are going to create what they call it. We are going to create a colorway. That is the best way we can do it. So that is where you can test all the color, and that's why I said you need ChatGPT in this process, so that ChatGPT has given us the color code. So it's now left for us to test all the color in the colorway to see which one looks good. You get, so I'm going to go to render, sorry, production. I'm going to go to colorway. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and go and copy this. Let's start. Okay, charcoal is 2C, 2C, 2C. So copy the color code and okay, and I'm going to click on the plus icon here. This plus icon, yes, this one. I always forget to change this thread color. This is the color of the thread. I need to change this thread color. So let me see. The thread color is supposed to be white, or probably the color of the thread. The color of the outfit, I mean. So okay, let me just leave it brown. I don't touch it too much. Just let me leave it this brown. Click something close to yes, it's fine. Apply and close. Click on these two and coming. Okay, I'm going to click this and let's click on here. This I just want to use anything and it's fine. So apply and close. And okay, we have this. So this is what I'm focused on. I'm going to go back to the fabric. We already have a color code, so we just need to paste it there. So I'm waiting for the property editor to load. So I'm going to scroll down, click on this and go to this and paste the charcoal black, apply and close. You can see this is the charcoal black and then it says white. So we are going to use this one and come in this and okay, this white, sorry. Okay, and we'll select this and do this 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, anyone, apply and close. So we have this. Actually, this is not bad too. Can you see? This is nice. And anyways, all this, any design I'm making from day 1 to day 31, yeah, day 31, we have 31 days in August. So any design I'm making from day 1 to day 31, they'll be out there. The project, they'll be out there, but it's not going to be for free. You're going to purchase them and you can use them for whatever you want to use them, either in your business or for a client, either of the two. So let's move on. I'm going to click on this plus icon. Yes, this plus icon here. So I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT. I'm going to copy this navy blue, Control C, and I'm going to go back to this glow and I'm going to click on this fabric and click on this here. So I'm going to go to, so let me scroll down and let's go to the color part. Yeah, this is it. And I'm going to click on this, Control V. This is the navy blue. You can see navy blue. And we're going to go to the second fabric, go to ChatGPT and copy the off-white, the off-white color. Control C. It's not it. Control C, and I'm going to go to Clo to paste it there. So yeah, so it's looking good. It's looking good. So you can see it's nice. So I'm going to go to the fourth one, and this is the olive green. I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go to this. Let me see, 3. Where is the fourth? Okay, the fourth one is supposed to be there. Coming. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Yeah. This 3. Okay, they've not really changed from here, but it's okay. Sorry, I myself am confused because this color is supposed to have changed. This one is supposed to have changed, but I think that's just like a bug from Clo3d. Until maybe you save the project and open it later, that's when you see the actual color there. So this is green, and this is it. and I'm going to go back here and copy this. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to Clo, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this. Let's see, apply and close. So this is beach, can you see? So, and 1 2 3 4, so it's just remaining one more. So okay, let's go back to our ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy the indigo color code, and I'm going to go back to Clo3d. I'm going to select the first fabric. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go to this, click on this. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this, copy. That's good. So I want to say it looks like on, even the indigo doesn't look bad. So okay, let's paste it here. So guys, what do you think? So this is just the knitted kaftan. This is just a very simple kaftan design. So when you buy the file, you can decide to add extra details to your to the design. That's why it's out there for sale. So, and these are the 5 colorways I have generated from ChatGPT, and I think all of them looks very, very good. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one. Can you see? 5 design, and this is a knitted kaftan. Can you see? So thank you for watching this tutorial from TimmyDCreator, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because tomorrow I'll be posting another tutorial again on kaftan. Kaftan is just going to be simple and basic, but we just have to be creative with it. You just have to think outside the box.